Hello everyone, today is 6th of October 2021. Today I have made around 4,800 rupees. Let me refresh. Here you can see I have made around 4,800 rupees. Okay, today I have taken two entries, both worked well, but I haven't holded till the target. If I have holded till the target, my profits would have been bigger. So we'll see what are the things I have missed today and what are the trades I have taken today. Okay. This is Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart and this is Nifty 15 minutes chart, and here we have a Nifty Bank 5 minutes and a Nifty 5 minutes chart with CPR setup. Okay, let me explain today's trade. The morning itself market is bullish. Here you can see it is opened somewhere near yesterday close and formed a pin bar. Here in 5 minutes you can see it is taking supported EMAs. Here you can see EMAs are like rising EMAs. You can see EMAs are rising, so there is less chance to reverse. So I haven't taken any trades here as the resistance are also nearby. My risk reward will be very small. It's not in my favor, so I have avoided any entries in this first candle and decided to wait for entries. So here you can see in Nifty it is formed an rejection, but in Bank Nifty it's not an it's a rejection, but I'm not comfortable in entering in this rejection as the EMS are still rising. I have waited for some more time, and here you can see it is taken supporting 80 MA, and in Nifty it is taken supporting 20 MA. So I have decided to wait for some more time. Here you can see it's a round number 38,000. So I had some conviction that it will reverse from 38,000, but it breached 38,000. At the same time, in 15 minutes, you can see it is forming some wick here at 38,000. It is forming a wick rejection. This candle. So I have entered in this candle. At the same time, in Nifty, it is closed below previous day high. This one. This is closed below previous day high, which gave me conviction of entering in this rejection candle. So in this 15 minutes, it's a complete rejection candle. Both of these candles combined together, it forms a complete rejection candle. So I have entered in this rejection candle. So my target is this middle CPR in Nifty and this previous day high in Bank Nifty. So I have entered here and waited for previous day high target, but it reversed from 20 MA. I thought it will reject again from this 80 MA and fall again. And the same thing in Nifty, it will come back to previous day high and it will form some rejection candle and it will again fall to this ZPZ zone. But market had other plans, it moved all the way up. So here in this candle I have exited near some break even. I could have exited in this candle itself as it is taking 20 MA support, but I missed this exit. I have exited here. Okay. This is my first entry, and for second entry I thought like it may form double top. As you have seen in past videos, I could have told you it may form double top and it will fall all the way back to previous day low, and then to day low it will fall, or to CPR. Okay, these are the possibilities. This is one possibility, and the second one is it will break the previous day high, current day high, and it will form a trending day. It will go up. So in my setup I will not enter these trending days, so my risk reward will not be favor in these kind of days. So I will avoid this trending moves. And the third setup is it will form, it will come to day high and it will also breach the day high, but it will be a false breakout and it will come back to the day's range again. So this is our setup. So either it will form a double top and it will fall to day low, or it will breach the day high and again it will turn to be a false breakout and it will fall back to 200 EMA or day low, previous day low or day low. So these are our targets. So the same thing happened today. Here I thought of entering here as an day high rejection, but as these EMAs are rising, I have waited for some more time. So once these EMAs are broken, I would have entered, but it has been breached the day high. At the same time in Nifty, you can see morning it has given a fall from day high. So the same thing can happen when it reaches the day high, and again it can fall, or else it can breach the day high, and here we have R1. Again it may form some false breakout here and it will fall to day low. So there are more possibilities of falling today. So I decided to wait here. I haven't taken any long trades after this day high breakout. I was waiting for false breakout. The same time Nifty reached the day high and it shows some rejection, and here also it is forming some red candles, and here this candle confirms that it is a false breakout. It is closed back again into the day's range. So I have entered here. In this candle I have entered, and it again took support here. While I have entered here, it seemed like it is closing below previous day high in Nifty, but again it is taking support as previous day high and it is forming a big green candle here. So I thought like it may go to day high again and it may reject, or it may form an trending day today. So I have decided some time to wait for some time, as my stop loss is above this one, above this day high. I have entered here, so I have waited for this green candle to take my stop loss, or it should return to our target. So I have waited here, and then I have exited somewhere near this candle. So I haven't captured the entire move. Here it is forming a green candle in Nifty, and here also it is forming some green candle. So I am not comfortable in holding in this trade, as past days are not good for us. We haven't made any profits, so I decided to take back something today. So I have closed with 4,800 here. If I have holded it, I would have exited near this 200 EMA. So our psychology also plays here. If our past days are not good, we should forget those things, those days, and we should move on, and we should be trading on the today's setup. So my past days are reacting with my psychology, so I couldn't able to hold this one. We'll see in upcoming days how it goes. So these are the trades today, you can see here. And one thing I have missed to mention here, in Bank Nifty, you can see this is a supply zone. You can see from here it has given some fall, and same thing it has given fall from here, and again it has given fall from here, and this one also from here it has given fall. The same thing, some from the same supply zone today it has given rejection and given fall. So you can trade alone with the supply and demand zone also. If you are if you have patience, you should not enter in this middle things and all. Here you should wait for either this demand zone or supply zone, and keep stop loss above supply zone and below demand zone, and take entries here, and it will give you good moves. So you can trade based on supply and demand zones also, but you will get a little bit of trades only, like the count will be less. You can't take many trades, right? But if you take the trades at the correct location, you will get a good risk reward. Okay, thank you guys. Today I have taken 2 trades and closed with 4,800 rupees profit. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.